I'm about to start up this 1957 Chevy 5400 low cab forward for the first time on its updated electrical system. I had to fully strip it down and replace the old system, which was already a homemade system with a wooden circuit board. And for a while it's just had a switch and a button under the hood, and if I stall it, then I have to get out of the cab, open the hood and try to start it again, then get back in and hope I don't stall it a second time. Now it's just going to be off of a normal ignition switch in the cab. So let's try it out. This is where the button and switch was, nice and clean now. There is the horn of a 1991 Dodge D250. There was a total rusted out farm truck that I have on here since the original horn, which was moved down there for some reason, needs to be rebuilt now since it's been out in the weather for so long. Freshly rebuilt carburetor. It has run only a couple of times and only driven on one day since I rebuilt it. And the charging system is set up properly. This is my key for it. Let's see if it will crank. Off of the key, right there. It's about maybe between 30 and 40 degrees. I think it's just right about freezing right now since the slush on the ground is turning right back to ice right about now. Choke is on, of course, but it just went and fired right up. That's just awesome. So I'll let it warm up a bit. Kind of double check on some black pepper repairs I did to the radiator, make sure they're still holding up, and have a little fun revving it up.